RV safety. Protecting your family and belongings on the road. Hitting the open road in an RV offers an unparalleled sense of freedom and adventure. It's a chance to explore the great outdoors, bond with family, and create memories that last a lifetime. However, with great adventure comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to the safety of your loved ones and the security of your belongings. RV safety is a multifaceted topic that encompasses everything from driving precautions to securing your mobile abode against potential threats. In this comprehensive guide, we'll navigate the ins and outs of RV safety, ensuring your journey is as secure as it is exhilarating. On the road, mastering safe driving. Operating an RV requires more than just standard driving skills. It demands an acute awareness of its unique dimensions and behaviors on the road. Know your RV. Familiarize yourself with your RV's height, width, and weight. Understanding these dimensions is crucial to avoid low-clearance obstacles and navigate tight spots. Defensive driving. Maintain a safe following distance, anticipate the actions of other drivers, and be mindful of weather conditions. Remember, an RV requires more time to stop than a regular vehicle. Regular maintenance checks. Before hitting the road, perform a thorough check of your RV's brakes, tires, lights, and engine. Regular maintenance can prevent unexpected breakdowns and accidents. Securing your home on wheels. Theft prevention in RV is more than a vehicle. It's your home away from home. Protecting it from theft and break-ins is paramount to ensuring peace of mind during your travels. Locks and alarms. Invest in high-quality locks for doors and windows. Consider installing a security system or motion sensor lights to deter potential intruders. Valuable storage. Keep valuables out of sight and consider using a safe bolted to the vehicle for important documents and expensive items. Smart parking. Choose well-lit, populated areas for overnight parking. When boondocking, opt for locations with good visibility and cell service in case of emergencies. Campsite safety. Creating a secure perimeter. Your campsite is your temporary abode, and securing it is just as important as securing your RV. Fire safety. Always adhere to campfire guidelines. Keep fires manageable, never leave them unattended, and fully extinguish them before turning in for the night. Wildlife precautions. Store food securely and dispose of trash properly to avoid attracting wildlife to your campsite. Educate your family about maintaining a safe distance from wild animals. First aid ready. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit in your RV, and familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures. Consider taking a first aid course as part of your trip preparation. Child and pet safety. Ensuring their well-being. Traveling with children and pets requires additional precautions to keep them safe and happy throughout the journey. Childproofing. Secure cabinets and drawers, cover electrical outlets, and ensure that window and door locks are out of reach of young children. Safe travel for pets. Use pet barriers, seat belts, or carriers to keep pets safe while the RV is in motion. Ensure they have a comfortable, secure spot to retreat to. Identification. Ensure children know their full name, your name, and a contact number. Pets should have up-to-date ID tags and microchips in case they wander off. Health and environmental safety. Staying healthy on the go. Maintaining good health and respecting the environment are key components of a safe RV adventure. Water safety. Use a water filtration system and regularly sanitize your RV's water tank to prevent contamination. Always have a supply of bottled water on hand, just in case. Waste disposal. Properly dispose of black and gray water at designated dump stations and follow eco-friendly practices to minimize your environmental impact. Sun and insect protection. Stock up on sunscreen, insect repellent, and protective clothing to guard against sunburn and insect-borne diseases. Emergency preparedness. Planning for the unexpected. Despite the best-laid plans, emergencies can arise. Being prepared can make all the difference in how effectively you respond. Emergency kit. Assemble an emergency kit that includes essentials such as water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, blankets, and a portable radio. Escape plan. Have a clear escape plan in case of fire or other emergencies. Practice it with your family, ensuring everyone knows how to safely exit the RV. Important documents. Keep a digital and physical copy of important documents, including insurance policies, identification, and medical records, in a secure, easily accessible location. Staying connected. Communication is key in today's digital age. Staying connected is easier than ever and can be crucial in emergencies. Cell phones and chargers. Ensure cell phones are charged and functional. Carry portable chargers and consider investing in a cell phone signal booster for remote areas. Emergency contacts. Have a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, and roadside assistance, readily available. GPS and maps. Use GPS devices and keep physical maps on hand, especially when traveling in areas with limited cell service. Safe travels for memorable adventures. RVing offers a unique way to explore the world, forging lasting memories with every mile. By prioritizing safety in all aspects of your journey, you can ensure these memories are joyous and free from preventable mishaps. Remember, the key to a successful RV adventure lies not just in the places you discover but in the peace of mind that comes from knowing you and your loved ones are safe and secure, no matter where the road takes you. Here's to safe travels and the endless joys of the RV lifestyle.